What kind of man runs an electric train through his own yard? Meet 71-year-old Isamu Nikura. Mr. Nikura used to develop new technology as an electrical engineer. Even in retirement, making things is in his blood. He wanted to make something big that he could enjoy with his neighbors and their children. That was when the idea of an electric train popped into his mind. 4 years later, he had completed his handmade train and tracks. Mr. Nikura's train is powered by 2 car batteries, 4 motors, and chains. This train can carry up to 15 children. It's a great feeling for me to see the children's faces light up when they ride the train. Mr. Nikura's train moves on 100 meters of rails laid around his home. The children get a kick out of riding through the changing scenery. Creating this varied ride meant a lot of work for Mr. Nikura. He rearranged the garden and moved objects around his yard. Three times a month, he invites children and neighbors to take a ride. Today is one of those days, and as usual, the children are beaming. Mr. Nikura works on making portable rails in his spare time so that he can bring his train to more children.